Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the Python class and object. It's nothing but we have know about the Python oops concept. Okay, so we use the oops concept in the C++ and Java language, and the C language we don't use the oops concept. Okay, the class and object comes under the oops concept. Thus Python we are going to use the oops concept. Python supports the oops concept also, that we will discuss in this video. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. First of all, class is nothing but is a collection of variables, either properties. Okay, we can say it either variables or properties and methods. Okay, simply class is a collection of variables and methods. Okay, then we can only create the variables and methods in the class, but we can't use the variables and methods in the class. That I'll show an example to understand this. This is class. Okay, this is our class. It's a collection of variables and methods. Collection of variables and methods. Okay, it's a collection of variables and method, and we can't use these variables and methods in the class. That means just think it is a plan, blueprint. Okay, it's just a blueprint or plan. Okay, if you want to build a house, the engineer initially the engineer will give the plan and mean complete construction details about the class. So think about that the blueprint or plan is related to the class. Okay, so this is the plan. We can see what are the where is the balcony is present, where is the bathroom, and where is the veranda, it's a corridor is present, but we can't implement it. Okay, to implement that we have to, we to use the uh, kitchen or balcony or veranda, we have to build the house. Like the same thing, remember in this case also class is in a blueprint or plan. Okay, it shows what are the things are present in our home. Okay, in our home, where it is placed. This is the area, this area for a kitchen, and this area for the balcony, and this area for garden, this is for a car parking, like this. Okay, so this is a blueprint or plan. Okay, simply we can understand it's a blueprint or plan. To use this blueprint, we have to build a home. Okay, to construct a home like this, we have to use the variables and methods. We have to create an object. Okay, this is an object. For that means have to build the house. Okay, and one more point is that the Python function is created by the keyword def. Like that, the Python class is created by the keyword class, and the class name should be a Pascal case. Actually have uploaded one shorts video regarding this cases. Python cases, Pascal case, camel and snake. Okay, so if anyone doesn't see that video, just go and check it in my channel. Okay, Python class name should be in a Pascal case. Pascal case is nothing but, if I am taking the class name as my details. Okay, this is the Pascal case. Okay, then the next one is object. Object is the instance of a class. Instance is nothing but the object is derived from. Okay, where it is derived? The object from the class. So it's an instance of a class. And what are the variables and methods created in the class that we have used in the objects, like this. Okay, what are the things we have written and designed here that all will be implemented in our house, like this. What are the variables and methods are created in the class that we will use in the object? Okay, let's see an example by using the class and object. First of all, I am going to create one class by using the class name my details. Okay, so class, keyword class, class name my details. Okay, see the point, the class is created by the keyword class and the class name should be in a Pascal case. So both are applied the both conditions. Then I am going to take some variables, name equal to z. Okay, then company equal to Infosys. Then location Hyderabad. Then I am going to take two methods. First one is def working, this one method, and just print some message inside the method. I work 8 hours per day. Okay, then def sleeping, print I sleep 6 hours per day. Then save it. Now I am going to create an object to access this functions and methods. Okay, to access this variables and methods. These are all the variables and these are all the methods. Okay, first object 1 equal to class name of then object 1 dot name. To display the name have to print it, print company. location. Okay, then object 1 dot working of sleeping off. Okay, then run this program. Okay, we got the output for the variables, but we didn't get the output for a method passing. Okay, basically if you are creating a method function, def function, Python function is in def keyword. From the beginning we are explaining, we are defining the function, we are giving the function definition, and later we are giving the function call. Like this, here we have created this function call, and here above from the above we gave the function definition, right? So in this case, this function is takes the object 1 as an argument. Okay, so the meaning of this is working of object 1. Okay, this is the meaning for this. Okay, to call the function we have to create and we have to include this an argument inside the function, right? Normally by using the function Python function we are declare the variables inside the function. Okay, like this way. Here we don't display, he won't give any, we are not giving any arguments inside the function. That's why the function is takes object 1 as an default argument. So here object 1 is present, but here we don't give any arguments. So it throws an error, this kind of positional argument, but takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 was given, like this. Okay, to avoid this we have to give some variables inside the function, and Python your default give the keyword self. Okay, if you give the any other variable rather than self, the answer will be displayed. But if you want to here we didn't take any kind of variables here. Okay, for a, b, like this, but that is the normal keyword, so we can get confused. So better we can use the self keyword to identify this methods. Okay, so now we can run it. So we got the output, required output. First is at Infosys Hyderabad, and I work for 8 hours per day and sleep 6 hours per day. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comments in the comment box. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. Okay friends, thank you.